How to create an MSSQL database in HSphere. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged into your HSphere control panel. Now let's learn how to create an MSSQL database. Microsoft SQL hosting is available both to Linux and Windows accounts if MSSQL is set up in the system and enabled in a hosting plan. Scroll over Databases, then scroll over MSSQL, then click MSSQL Logins. Unlike other SQL databases, MSSQL requires a login to access the MSSQL server. Once you have created a login, you can create databases and its users to access the database. Enter the database login name here. Type in the password and then confirm it here. When ready, click Submit button here. MSSQL login has been successfully created. To delete a login, click the trash icon in the Controls section. When deleting a login, HSphere will delete all DBs created under it, and also all users associated with these DBs. Now let's create a database linked to this MSSQL login. Scroll over Databases, then scroll over MSSQL, then click MSSQL DBs. Enter the database name here. Make sure to choose the correct MSSQL login here. When finished, click Submit button. The database has been successfully created. To delete a database, click the trash icon in the Controls section, but keep in mind that it will delete all its users. To edit your database settings, click here. You may add a new database user by clicking here. You should mind that within a database, one login can be used only by one user. The first login is already used by you and cannot be used to create a new user to the database, so you'll need to choose among the logins which are not used by this database. Enter the database username here. When ready, click Add. We're done now. The database user has been added as well. To manage your MSSQL database, you may use local programs like MSSQL Studio or MSSQL Manager application, which is enabled within HSphere. To access it, scroll over Databases, then scroll over MSSQL, then click MSSQL Manager. Click Off button to enable MSSQL Manager for your account. To open your MSSQL Manager, click this link here. You will need to enter your FTP credentials if required. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create MSSQL databases, their logins, and users from within your HSphere control panel. You should remember that there are a few peculiarities in MSSQL setup.